come tell the people them say, them beat him, but Derek Morgan friend, they beat him and tapping him face. Him friend call me, everybody here on the live. Because I speak, I'm put it on. The friend call me and tell me, so them beat him and tapping him face. Kick him down a town.
I didn't know that.
Yes, they did. Derek Morgan did that bad, but him afraid to come out and say happy. Him just afraid to come out and say him happy. So that's why he look weird. You know want people to laugh off at him. You get what I say? But they do beat him for true. Right, but it's not joke, it's serious matter. Rosalie speak on the live and he said she gonna do it. And she did do it. I call Rosalie on WhatsApp and Rosalie said she don't care. See messenger. I call her and she said she do not care. And we must not call her phone. See it there. So him life in a serious jeopardy. Don't take this like this is not a joke. Right. Oh, that's a message you should ask him about Rosalie.
Right, but
you're not supposed to speak about Rosalie because they can't come back and man, he can't kill him.
But then you gotta understand that this is her topic and he could have said he don't want to talk about it, right?
No, but you know that he's gonna talk about it.
Right, but then he didn't talk about it.
But if you see the video going around where people are saying them beat him and them chop him up and something, you should be asking.
Listen. I will be honest with you.